Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 17th of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of April, 2025, our system has ranked Trump Media and Technology Group as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.95. Now, let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of negative 43.29% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 62.10% to negative 43.29%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of negative 27.15%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 90.57% and positive 45.15% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $2.08 and $31.99. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline: significant movements in Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price on Thursday, moving nearly 15% between high and low. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price rose by over 11% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 17th of April, 2025, increasing from $19.74 to $22.04. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by nearly 15%, with a low of $19.82 and a high of $22.77. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and has risen by nearly 20% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also saw an increase on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 7 million more shares were traded than the previous day, with approximately 12 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to around $258 million.37. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $56.55, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the stock price is about 61%, or $34.51, below the 52-week high, and approximately 72%, or $57.34, below the all-time high recorded on March 26, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Today, Trump Media stock, trading under the symbol DJT, is experiencing notable gains, climbing over 11% in midday trading. This surge is occurring amidst serious allegations against a London-based hedge fund, Cube Research and Technologies, which Trump Media claims is involved in suspicious trading activities aimed at manipulating stock prices. The company has raised concerns with the Securities and Exchange Commission about potential stock manipulation, highlighting a short position against its shares valued at $105 million, approximately 2.5% of its outstanding shares. These developments create a volatile environment for DJT. In the short term, the stock may benefit from heightened investor interest spurred by the dramatic rise and the company's proactive stance in addressing potential market misconduct. However, the shadow of aggressive shorts and ongoing regulatory scrutiny could weigh heavily on sentiment in the long run, potentially dampening investor confidence if concerns are validated. The launch of new investment vehicles aligned with America First themes could further influence DJT's trajectory. But the real impact will largely depend on how these regulatory issues unfold. Investors should closely monitor these developments as they will likely influence DJT's market performance in both the immediate and longer-term horizons. Analysts have assigned the Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts similarly rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. Overall, the chart indicates mostly positive signals today. Stock of Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at the levels of $19.80 and $20.25. Should the stock drop below either of these levels, sell signals will be triggered. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 32.29%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 39 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal from 59 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 48 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal from 43 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $20.27 and $18.79. There is an inherent risk when a stock approaches a support level because if this support is broken, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this instance, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support just below today's level at $20.27. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $18.79 and $18.76. The stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is regarded as high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $2.95 between its high and low, which is a change of 14.88%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 7.65%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside of their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could indicate risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $22.27. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $20.27. If this support level holds, it could represent a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of March, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 12th of March, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 11,805 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted another insider sale of 8,954 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 300 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Based on the 55 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive. With a ratio of 21.513, overall, insiders purchased 226,179,920 shares and sold 115,754,142 shares in the last 55 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $21.19, which reflects a decline of 3.84%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 7 days ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group's stock a good buy? Several short-term signals appear positive. Despite the stock being in a downward trend, we believe that the current price level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 21st of April, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open lower by approximately 497/10,000ths of a dollar, beginning at $21.54. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.